In next 5 minutes, I'll tell you 6 ways to earn thousands of dollars online from home using your math skills. These are very simple and easy ways, so don't forget to take notes. Before I begin, I tell you that this is my very first video on this brand new YouTube channel. So for now, this channel has exactly 0 views, 0 subscribers, 0 likes or comments. If you enjoy the video, I really appreciate that you like this video and comment below. That would really means a lot to me. I'm from MathStorm. I teach simple steps for smart people to turn knowledge into income. In 5 minutes, I'll show exactly what to do, what to use, where to publish, and how to get paid. Ever feel like your advanced math skills are the secret superpower with no place to use it? What if I told you that your degree is actually a key to unlocking a world of online income right from your home? Many people with higher math degrees ends up in jobs that don't fully use their potential. But right now, there's a huge demand for math skill online. Businesses, students, and tech companies are actively searching for experts like you. Let's break down 6 proven paths. First, online tutoring. High demand worldwide. Start by offering 1-hour session where try platforms like Preplay, Superproof, Teachaway, or Fiverr. But the fastest route is direct. Advertise on social media and WhatsApp group. Second, create and sell short courses. Record short lessons and sell on Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy. A focused third-year linear algebra course or how to solve 10 exam problems in 20 minutes sells well. Third, freelance. Use Upwork or Fiverr for problem solving, MATLAB, Python tasks, data analysis, simulations, or Excel modeling. Make 5 sample gigs and deliver 5-star work. That builds up your profile fast. Fourth, content creation. Use YouTube or a blog to reach thousands. Start a YouTube channel explaining mind-bending math tricks or a blog that makes complex ideas simple. Make short, helpful videos and offer paid products in the description. Monetize with ads, memberships, affiliate links, and sponsors. Fifth, sell worksheets, solution PDFs, exam packs. Teachers and students pay for ready-made sets. Use Etsy, Gumroad, or your own landing page. Universities, startups, and small companies need help with proofs, simulations, and model buildings. 6. Tech and data specialties. The worlds of AI and cryptocurrency are built on math. Companies need experts who can build and explain these models. Use your skills to help businesses with data analysis, financial forecasting, or even the math behind video game graphics. The best part, you can start small. Pick one idea that excites you. Create a simple profile on a freelance platform or make one short video. Your first project or student is the most important step. For the record, this is my first video also. Start from somewhere. Your math degree isn't just a piece of paper. It's a tool for building the life you want. The online world is waiting for your expertise. So what will you create first? Let me know in the comments below.